How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me is 2017 Audi Q7 S-Line. Let me show you around. Okay. So powering the all-wheel drivetrain is a supercharged 3-liter V6 with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Got the roof rails up top, tinted windows in the back, dual exhaust in the rear. You have a power liftgate, third row seating. To bring up the third row, you just hit the button like so, and they come up nice and easy. And then bring them down. Bring down the liftgate. There's just a button up top here. And coming into the interior here, you got the nice door panels here, Bose audio system, mirrored window controls, seat memory up top here. Here is the power liftgate down below. Got the nice leather seats, panoramic sunroof up top. There's 119,605 kilometers currently on this full-size SUV. Audio and hands-free. Controls on the steering wheel, heated steering wheel as well. Cruise control setting is down below here. Lighting controls. Here's your infotainment screen. Dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats. Got your infotainment touchpad there, gear select, volume, and you have your center console here. And coming into the mid row here, you do have your own climate control, cup holders in the middle. To bring down the mid row seats to get into the back, you just flip this up and you can get into the third row seating. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2017 Audi Q7. For more information on this SUV, feel free to reach out to us, 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by a dealership and take this thing for a test drive. We're open Monday to Saturday, 9 to 6. Thank you guys again for watching. Have yourselves a great day.